Children, let me continue. Already I said what is hardness of water. Then how to remove permanent hardness and temporary hardness, we have to say now. The removal, there are many stages to remove the hardness. We cannot use the hardness water as it is. Then why should we remove the hardness? There is a question raises. How to remove the hardness? Why? Because hard water is not good for health. If you are drinking hard water, it will create some stomach ailments. Ailments means what? Diseases. Secondly, if you are washing the clothes, the salt and all present in the hard water, no, it deposited on the clothes, and the clothes will not be used for a long time. Only for short time only we can use. Next, our third one is, in the industries it is used. The machines inside the inner parts of the machines will be got the scales that is through pudichu rest becomes rested. Because of the salt it becomes rested and we cannot use it. So almost the hard water is not good for human being as well as industry. And then what I said, even for washing clothes and all. So it's the duty to remove the hardness. Removal of hardness may be in the 3 stages. That is, first one is boiling. You know what is boiling? Boiling means what? Boil the water. And second one is adding washing soda. You know what is washing soda? That is, whenever the dresses are very dirty, so by using washing soda, we can close. There are 2 kinds of powders, baking soda as well as washing soda. Baking soda used for cooking and washing soda used for washing the vessels, the cycle parts and our rims and all. You can see in the cycle shops, the rim alla washing soda which is clear pannuvanga. Even the dirt clothes and romba adukka irundha, we can use washing soda. The hot water boil panni adula washing soda pota, all the dirts will be removed. So we can add washing soda. That is washing soda, baking soda, that is baking soda what I said, for cooking purpose. Side by side, if you have got this, all those things you have to keep in mind. Sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, and washing soda, sodium carbonate. Common salt, you know, that is sodium chloride. This and that you should keep in mind always. Sodium chloride. Na is a symbol for sodium, Cl chlorine, and carbonate CO3. By to represent by we are writing H. First one is boiling. Second one is adding washing soda. Third one is ion exchange. Ion means what? It is a charged particle. Enge electricity use agi atom vandu negative ion positive ion marubodhu enna solranga ions. Ion is charged particle. And fourth one is distillation. Distillation, first you have to boil the water, then you have to filtrate. Distillation Tamil solranga modula kaachunu adukapra vadikattanu. This, so the 4 ways of removal. One is boiling, adding washing soda, ion exchange, and then distillation. So we'll see temporary hardness is easily removed from water by boiling. So boiling mainly for what? Temporary hardness. See, easily we can remove. Temporary hardness can be removed. When heated, the calcium hydrogen carbonate decomposes, producing insoluble calcium carbonate. The insoluble carbonates are then filtered and removed from water. This makes the hard water soft and fit for use. We can use like this, boiling. Boil பண்ணும்போது என்ன ஆகும், அதில் இருக்க சால்ட் எல்லாம் எவாப்ரேட் ஆகும். Then other thing we can easily filtrate and it can be used for other purposes. Adding washing soda. Washing soda, removal of adding washing soda and removal of hardness. This is used for permanent hardness of water. Permanent hardness of water that can be cleared. Okay. Here, by adding washing soda, it converts chlorides and sulfates into insoluble carbonates. These insoluble carbonates are removed by filtration. Insoluble means what? So we can remove by filtration. First we have to add the washing soda and then we can filtrate. Then ion exchange. Another method used to remove the hardness of water is to pass through a common ion exchange where calcium and magnesium ions get replaced by sodium. இப்படி பண்ணும்போது என்ன ஆகும்னா, the sodium வந்து it will replace the calcium and magnesium and become a solid particle that can be filtrate. So this converts hard water into soft water. This is for both the process. This is for both temporary hardness, both the process. And finally, distillation. I said already, first we have to boil the water, then we have to filtrate. Temporary and permanent hardness, both the hardness can be removed by the method of distillation. The water obtained after distillation is called distilled water. நல்ல காய்ச்சி வடிகட்டிய தண்ணீர்னு பேர் அதுக்கு. It is the purest form of water. Which form of water? Distilled water. Even for in the injections also see, they are using distilled water only. So both the hardness can be used, removed. This water is known as distilled water. This is the purest form of water. Which water is purest form of water? Distilled water is the purest form of water. Clear? Now we have seen what's the causes for that. There are two kinds of hardness, I said temporary and permanent. Then what are the salts present in that and how to remove that? That is boiling, adding washing soda, ion exchange and distillation. Boiling is a simple process. Adding washing soda, that also simple. By using washing soda, the salts can be insoluble salts, so that can be filtered. Ion exchange, I said already. Here sodium replaces calcium and magnesium ion. And distillation, final last. Okay. So then how the naturally water has come in the pure form only. It becomes polluted. How it is polluted? அதாவது இயற்கையாக நல்ல வர தண்ணி பொல்யூட் ஆகுதுன்னு சொன்னால் வாட்ஸ் த ரீசன்? மெயின் ரீசன் இஸ் ஹியூமன் பீயிங்ஸ் only. Main reason is we ourselves, we are the first cause for that. We are making the cattle to give the bath in the river side and say pond side and the Karaivaram on the pond, what is it, river, this sides and they are taking the bath as well as they are giving the bath to the cattle also. Everywhere they are using all the works in the same area where we are getting the drinking water. You would have seen in the villages and other sites. So we are the main cause for the water pollution. Now we have to see how the water is polluted. How the water is polluted. So contamination of water bodies means what? அதாவது பியூராக இருக்கிறது contaminate ஆகிடும். Okay. Contaminated means soils. This is because of human activity. Contamination, this is the last paragraph I have to take. Contamination of water bodies as a result of human activities is known as water pollution. So what is water pollution? Making of the water surface impure. This is known as what? Water pollution. This is because of human beings only. 99.9% human being and the other 1% by natural. Contamination of water bodies occur when harmful substances such as chemicals, sewage and waste are released into them. So in the common water, pure water, what are the things may mixed with that? Chemicals. That is from the factories, the chemicals. That is what I said. The waste form of chemicals, sewage water and waste water all are collected in the pure water and then become what? Contaminated water. It produces physical and chemical biological changes in the quality of water. It degrades the water quality, which degrades that what I said. Sewage water, chemicals from the industries and waste from the household things all are mixed together and it degrades the water level. It degrades the water quality and makes the water toxic. Toxic means what? Poisonous. If you are drinking the water, you will be suffering with the stomach disorders. Drinking polluted water has serious negative effects in human as well as animals too. Okay? Children, now it's clear for us. Water, how water is important to us. Then what are the ways of, what are the origination of water we have seen. Then what are the things present in that? Hydrogen and oxygen. What's the chemical name of the water we have seen already? Hydrogen peroxide. Dihydrogen monoxide. Dihydrogen means what? Hydrogen to oxygen 1. We have seen that also. Then what else we have seen? Then water, it's a universal solvent because all the other things, water in water, all the salts, water is a solvent. It makes other things to soluble. Lot of 90% of the solute can be easily can be dissolved in this. So water is universal solvent. And water we have some salts are there. What are the salt? This salt only. Then water not only hydrogen, oxygen, even air also present in that. The air, carbon dioxide and oxygen is there. This oxygen and the carbon dioxide is used by the water plants and water animals. And this water, then how to get the purified water? We have seen what are the ways of purify. That is, what are the process? Sedimentation, filtration, sterilization and chlorinization in between. Then this water has some salt that causes hardness of water. What are the salts? I said calcium, magnesium. That is hardness. Then temporary hardness is caused by calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate. Permanent hardness, chlorides and sulfate, calcium, magnesium. Okay. Then what are the, then this water is not good for the health. We are removing the thing, hardness. That is boiling, adding washing soda, ion exchange, distillation. In this, boiling only purely for what? Temporary hardness. Then adding washing soda for permanent hardness. Then ion exchange and distillation, for both the hardness we can use it. Okay, finally, the purest form of water is distilled water. And I say, even though we are doing all those things again and again because of the human being activities, the water become polluted. Then what are the ways? I said, what are the things makes the water polluted? Domestic sewage, chemicals from the factories and human activities, that is wastage water, all mixed together and makes the water polluted. Clear? That's all. This lesson is over. Actually, we thought of taking totally how many lessons are there in the thing? Physics concern 8 lessons. 6 lessons over. Still sound I have taken, and 7 and 8 we have to consider principal madam, and possible we'll take or else we'll remove and we'll go for revision. And chemistry we are taking, that is 9 to 15. I think 7 lessons are there. Out of 7 lessons till water, even water is completed. Here also 2 lessons are pending. Physics 2 lesson, chemistry 2 lesson. And biology, already 2 lessons are omitted from the government. That is 23rd lesson and 22, 23 both are omitted. In this we have taken microorganism, reaching age of adolescence I have completed. So only one, as per the thing, almost we are completing. Biology is completed. And then what I said, biology only 1 lesson I thought of taking, crop production, and chemistry and physics over. So anyhow, I'll let you know afterwards. So already midterm test is going on. What are the lessons given for midterm test, revision test? That won't be considered for the annual exam. Only 3 or 4 lessons only. Physics 1 lesson, chemistry 1 lesson and biology 1 lesson. I have decided like that. I don't know what madam will say. I'll find out and let you know. Okay. Now we'll go for question and answers. As per the syllabus, I have to take only few questions. Take page number 153. Choose the correct answers I have to give for all. Fill in the blanks I have to give. True or false. There is no omission. Match the following I have to give full. Give reasons. First one, second one, fourth one, sixth one. Give reasons what all I have to give. 1, 2, 4, 6. And define the following. 1, 2, 5. Objectives, that is Roman number 1 to 4 I have to give entirely. Roman number 5. 1, 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 4, 6. And define Roman number 6. 1 to 5. First lesson, second lesson and fifth lesson. And answer in brief. That is in page number 154. I have to give first question, second question, third and fifth. In this, fourth one is omitted. What is omitted? Fourth question is omitted. So I have to give answers only for 4 questions. And detailed answer. 4 detailed answers is there. And I have to give 3 detailed. 3 detail also no, only first and second detail. Third and fourth one is omitted. Here, fourth question is what? Explain the different ways by which water gets polluted. That also. So, okay, 1, 2, 1, 4. 4 detail answer I have to give, only third one is omitted. Okay, children, we have to go for the objectives. Objectives in the Roman number 1 and all I will give afterwards. We will go for the short answers, answer in brief. That's in page number 154. I'll write here. Answer in brief. Page number 154. Children, note down properly. Name the gases evolved at cathode and anode. when water is electrolyzed, state the ratio by volume. Short answer is, the first question is, name the gas evolved at cathode and anode. When water is electrolyzed, state the ratio by volume. Write the answer in the book itself, the question itself. Strike out name. Take pencils. Strike out name and write. The gas evolved at cathode is, at cathode, now strike out and, at cathode, next to cathode you write. At cathode is, you have to write by yourself. I hope that you would understand what I said. Name the gas evolved, no, remove the name. Because of name only it is become what question. And the name edukrunga. The gas evolved at cathode is hydrogen. Hydrogen. The name evolved at cathode is hydrogen and question is there. And anode is oxygen. Write in the question itself. You have to remove that name. The gas evolved at cathode is hydrogen and anode is oxygen. First question is over. Second one, state the ratio by volume. Write in book itself. The ratio of volume is 2:1. 2:1. Second question, state the importance of dissolved oxygen and carbon dioxide in water. It's in page number 144. Page number 144. This opposite side. The dots are there in the first point. Air dissolved in water is important for the living organisms to survive. Did you follow, children? Do you find out where it is? Page number 144, opposite side. Air dissolved in water is important for the living organisms to survive. Second point full, fish extracts. Third one is full and fourth one also full. That is first point start from air dissolved. Second one, fish extracts to water. Third one, aquatic plants to photosynthesis. And fourth one, carbon dioxide to build their shells. All the 4 points. Okay. Second question is over. Did you all mark properly or not? In page number 144, opposite side. And page number, next third question is, what are the causes of temporary hardness and permanent hardness of water? It's in page number 147. Take page number 147. Here next to the diagram, that is 13.7, figures are there, no? Under that thing, second paragraph, fifth line. Sixth line, sixth line. Hardness of water, did you find out? Next to the diagram. Hardness of water is due to the presence of dissolved salts of calcium and magnesium. Hardness may be temporary or permanent. Temporary hardness due to the presence of carbonate and bicarbonate salt of calcium and magnesium. Permanent hardness results due to the presence of chloride and sulfate salts of calcium and magnesium. Close the brackets. Clear from the sixth line to till last. And the last question, what are the methods of removing hardness of water? It's in page number 148. You have to underline the headings alone. So in the place of what, you have to write 148. Fourth one is omitted. So fifth one, page number 148. Page number 148, underline the heading alone, children. Boiling, adding washing soda, ion exchange and distillation. Another thing and all you take from the question. Distillation are the methods to remove the hardness of water. Okay, children, let me continue in another class. Thank you.